guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to make strawberry, orange and apple juice, and I am going to show you exactly what I am about to do. This is my strawberry. It's already washed, ready to go into my blender. I'm using 2 apples. They're already washed, and I'm going to cut them up in small pieces and put them in my blender. And I'm going to use 2 oranges. I'm going to wash them and squeeze them straight into my blender. I'm going to pour some water into my blender, just enough water to cover my fruit. I'm not putting a lot of water to kill the flavor, because it's natural healthy juice, so we don't want to kill the flavor. We want it to taste nice, delicious and healthy. Just put it on the cover. And I'm about to blend my juice. This juice don't need a lot of time for blending. My blender is powerful, so this juice is already blended. And it is ready for straining, so I'm just going to give my bowl a little rinse. And I'm going to strain my juice. Wow, this juice is coming out really, really nice, and it's looking absolutely delicious and healthy. It's very important for us to stay healthy and looking good. Sometimes we are so busy, We totally forget all about ourselves. So I'm glad that I'm here to show you how to stay healthy and looking good. Wow. Wow. It's amazing what you can do in your own kitchen at home. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to my juice. This juice don't need a lot of honey because this juice is already sweet and it's natural and it is healthy. Wow, it is looking really good. Pour this juice back into the blender so you can see exactly what it looks like. And I'm gonna pour some in my glass, give it a taste, and tell you what I think of this juice. This juice is looking very, very good. Very, very good. So I'm just going to taste it now and tell you what I think of it. This tastes really nice. Really, really healthy. Really nice. I can taste all the flavor, I can taste all the fruits and everything what is in it. It blends together really well. Lovely, really nice. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for all the support and love. I'm out of here. Bye.